Hello Internet people, and hello to the Tiddlerhood. I'm just showing a little bit of a TiddlyWiki coding project, if you will, that I'm working on, and I hope to do some videos about it in the near future. Um, I've been working on Date Picker Widgets, or fields, if you will, input fields. And start off with just a very basic, no frills, drop down date picker. Very easy to set up, but formatting of the date. There's no choices there. It shows, I think, whatever the browser or the system default is as far as date formatting. Now, when we select dates with this thing, it formats dates like shown down here: year, month, and day. Which is fine. It's practical. It's consistent across the board. But myself, I kind of like the field and the output, or rather, the recording of that field to be the same. So I started playing around and kind of hacked away a little bit, and came up with two other little versions of the drop-down date field, date picker. One which shows date in the same format that the value will be saved in, but does not allow editing of the date field. This is super easy to set up, and if you want to change the date, you actually have to click on the icon. So changing the date, nice. But then I came up with another one which does allow changing a date, either in the text edit area, or by clicking the icon and choosing something else. Anyway, so I want to do a video to explain how these fields work, and then I think it'd be kind of fun to do some other little videos about all of the formatting going on here, and how to get the saved date back as a link. A bunch of little things. I'm still working on putting together at least some nice reference here, so that way we can go see where I got certain information from to build these things. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully I'll get some videos about this done shortly. Cheers.